Hi everyone, today what we test is K1 from EJEAS with the camera intercom. Yes, now we release the camera intercom K1. So now I and my partner already connected with each other. So let's try the sound quality first. Now we in the tunnel. There are many cars and some riders. So let's talk with Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Yes, I can hear you, but the sound is a little low. Let's increase the sound. Hi, Carrie. Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes. And if the sound is very clearly? Okay, now let's keep going. Okay, now I'm very far away from Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Yes, you can hear me? Hi, Carrie. Yes, please speak with the microphone, Carrie. Okay, and the sound quality is very, very good. And now I'm far away from Carrie, about 200 meters. And also, now let us show you another function of our K1. The second function is sensitivity adjustment. What is sensitivity adjustment? Means in some environment you feel the sound quality is not so well, so we can adjust to the sensitivity. How to use? We can press the call button and the plus button at the same time, just one time. Okay, now sensitivity adjustment already changed to the 4 level. Usually when we open the intercom, the sensitivity adjustment level is 3, now it's 4, and you can press again, now it's 5, and you press again, now back to one level. Okay, and also I have third function to share with you is consonants. What is consonant? Means you can talk with a friend and at the same time you can listen music in your phone. Okay, and let's try. You can see here. I searched a sound loud story. Now I open. I play the music and increase the sound. Now here, this helmet is play music. Love story come from the intercom. And if the sound is very low, you can hear, you can add. When we wear this helmet, you can listen the sound very clearly. Yes, and these are the 3 functions I want to talk with you. Okay. Okay, let us check the distance between I and Carrie. Now I and Carrie distance about 350 meters. Yes, okay. Now let's try when we get the destination of the tunnel. The arrows will still hear us, not carrying the beginning of the tunnel. Hi, Carrie. Carrie. Hi, hello. Carrie, how are you? Hi, Carrie. Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Yes, you can still hear me. Okay, very good. Hi everyone, now we already arrived at the destination of the tunnel and Carrie can hear me. Yes, you can hear me? Okay, I can hear you. Okay, so the performance of our K1 from EJEAS with a camera is very good. Okay, thank you guys. Hi everyone, today what we test is EJEAS V4 Plus. V4 Plus allows 4 people speak at the same time and the distance can reach about 1.5 kilometers. Now we're standing in a mountain with a lot of batteries. Firstly, we power on the intercom and then connect them. Okay, pairing successful. Firstly, we test the sound quality. Now I talk with Carrie. Hi, Carrie.
Hi.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Okay. Now I want to talk. You can still hear me
Yeah.
very clearly.
Yeah,
So you like it?
yeah.
I like it too. Okay. The sound quality is very good. Because you see, this mountain there are many berries, rocks, and objects. Yes, like far and far. Hi, Carrie. Yes, how are you? Okay. I'll be for Plex from EJEAS. Hi, Carrie. Wow, you can still hear me. so powerful. I love it. I will buy it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's look how powerful the intercom is. Hi, Carrie. Yes, I can hear you clearly. Now the distance between us is very, very far. I guess maybe 300 meters. Now we're upstairs. Oh, now I can't carry. There are blocks between us. No, 3 blocks. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Okay, now we see the distance between me and Carrie. About 100 meters. Hi, Carrie.
EJEAS Mesh Intercom Experts.